Hello and welcome to another video in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego. Hi, I'm Bud Klueck, founding and managing partner of Family Law San Diego. This video is the first of a two-part video of fear of filing. There is a well-known phobia called fear of flying, which is clearly a fear to get on an airplane. Fear of possibly crashing, I guess. There also was a well-known novel entitled Fear of Flying. Now, there are classes to overcome a fear of flying. I wish there were classes for overcoming a fear of filing. Ultimately, not filing is harmful to adults and it's harmful to their children. People fear filing of documents and filing of cases at court. And to a certain extent, I get it. I'm coming at it from a different perspective. For attorneys like me, courts are our workplaces. And indeed, if I was dropped into your workplace, I would feel uneasy for a while as well. I've heard over and over again people come to us and say, we really didn't want to get involved with courts. We didn't want to involve the court system. My response, at least in my head, is always, why? And I get that as well. I understand courts are often places where stuff gets imposed on you, like a sentence to jail or a fine or something like that. But if you're truly in agreement, the judges will go along with that. If mom signs a formal document as to custody and visitation of children, and dad signs it, and there's no allegations of being forced to do it, coercion, make them an offer they can't refuse, the judge will sign it. It's easy peasy. And then it's a court order, and you can agree to do something different from time to time. If grandma's coming in and you want to have the kids on a day that's not your day, that's fine, but you have a baseline. Now, why is it important to have a baseline, a court order? Well, human nature. How many conversations have you had that people remember differently? And when you add to it the thought of money being involved, ego being involved, self-interest being involved, and emotions being involved, how likely is it that both of you remember what was agreed to accurately and both of you remember it the same way? Very, very unlikely. And even if the two parties remember accurately what was said and agreed to, there will likely be new significant others in both of their lives. They were not part of the original conversations, and they have their own ego and their own self-interest involved. Please, for the sake of your children and for the sake of peace in the neighborhood, please overcome your fear of filing. If you have any further questions about filing court documents or creating agreements between parties, please contact us. Our phone number is 619-448-6500. That's 619-448-6500, stated slightly differently. Or visit our website at Family Law San Diego. It's www.familylawsandiego.com. No spaces, no dots, one word. www.familylawsandiego.com. We'd like to hear from you, and thank you for watching another in our series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law.